Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli, and thank you for joining my channel. If you're new, please subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all of my patrons and those who ordered their Tesla using my link. I appreciate all your support. Consider supporting this channel. This video is for Tesla Model 3 owners with a lot of miles. A lot of miles. If you don't have a lot of miles, you don't have to watch this video, but of course you can if you want. So I am a proud Tesla Model 3 owner with 30,000 plus, almost 31,000 miles on my car. And I saw this very interesting article on electric website, awesome website, about an owner who has 100,000 kilometers on his car, which is 62,000 miles. There's another guy who has 111,000 kilometers, 69,165 miles. And one of them, actually, I'll tell you his name. His name is Chris Westover. Westover. Chris Westover. He decided to quit his job and everything, and he drives a Lyft Uber. I do a little bit Lyft just for fun, and he's like got up to 4,000 rides, making good money. It's really good money if you're serious about making good money. And he's some of his companies. After 100,000 kilometers, 62,000 miles, he's very impressed with the car performance. Very low maintenance, obviously no gas, and with the low, like I said, overall the low cost of running this car, the speed of this car, the simplicity of this car, the supercharging capability, especially if you are giving ride shares and you need to charge your car. There's so many superchargers that are available for you. So it's really been okay. So now for me, with only 30,000 miles, having same experience of long rides and ride sharing, giving, really I can attest to that. It's great. It's really great. This is a car who keeps its value, keeps its performance, doesn't change after, like a gasoline car that loses power and starting to smoke in the back, and because the exhaust system needs to be replaced. It's like this car, after all these miles, after all these thousands of miles that I drove on it, is as if I took it out of the delivery showroom yesterday. Same thing, same performance. I concur with everything that these owners saying about the ride quality, the maintenance, the performance, the everything that came with this car is still integral and same as if you got this car yesterday. It's really, really incredible. It's a great long-term car. If you're driving a lot of miles and a lot of road trips, or do you do ride sharing and all that stuff, Tesla Model 3 is so incredibly efficient and so incredibly cheap to run, because you have no maintenance and no gas. As so many passengers ask me this question: no maintenance, no gas. It's just so enticing to have a car like this. Think about it: no maintenance, no gas. It's just great thing. If you have a high mileage excuse me, Tesla Model 3, put your experiences and comments below. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. See you tomorrow.